Hey girl, fit check. Today's the day, people. We are soldering the scalloped foil along the zinc cane border of the duck stamp project. And this is a big deal for me as it's the first time using this type of foil. Why is it such a big deal? Surely it's just foil, right? Great question. It's more than just that. And don't call me Shirley. Airplane, what's up? This foil is so wide at the humps that it's probably best to treat it more like foil overlays instead of just soldering foil. And because of that, we turned down the soldering iron to a lukewarm 310. Shout out to Chingona for asking a legit question for new artists, because I was also skeptical about this feature when I first started. It's pretty darn crucial. I can confidently say you will not regret spending the few extra dollars to have the control of your temperature when it means helping avoid heat cracks. Knowing how much I use this feature and how good the FX601 is, I'd have no problem paying double its price. But Heiko, if you're watching this, please don't do that. Because we're treating this process as foil overlays, we're sticking to a few ground rules I've come to live by through trial, error, and heat cracks. Rule number 1, turn down the heat. Check. Rule number 2, don't blob the solder on. Lean and mean is the route I like because more solder that's on the overlay, the longer it takes to cool. And that means the longer the glass is overheated. Rule number 3, which ties into number 2, don't stay in one spot. Let the solder cool as quickly as possible. So just keep moving and come back to it later. Funny thing about my back, it's located on my super bad. What's up? And rule number 4, slow is smooth and smooth is fast. It's really hard to smooth out solder when the iron is this cold, but do your best. Speaking of smoothing it out, I have no idea what I'm doing and 100% just winging it right now. I'm running the iron edge along the edge of the zinc as a guide while smoothing out the solder on the scalloped foil as best as possible in continuous motions. Is it perfect? Nah, but it turned out better than I expected. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to tap the follow button if you enjoy seeing stained glass art get created one process at a time from an artist who knows way too many movie quotes.